Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 29. The partner who participates fully in the affairs of the firm is called dash partner. A. Active, B. General, C. Limited, D. Quasi, E. Sleeping. So we're looking at partnership. And we're looking at the various types of partners. So let's see the one which can be described as a partner who participates fully in the affairs of the firm. Now option A, which is the active partner, is a partner who is involved fully in the daily operations of a firm or of the partnership. Now number 2, which is general partner, is a partner who joins with at least one other person to form a business. That is the general partner. Now option C, which is the limited partner, is a partner whose liability towards the company's debts is legally limited to the extent of their investment. Option D, quasi partner, is someone who has ceased being a member of a business but has left his share capital in the business. And finally, E, sleeping partner, is a partner not participating in the actual work of the firm. So from the definitions we have given, see that the active partner, which is option A rather, the active partner, option A, refers to a partner who is involved fully in the daily operations of a firm, and that is what is described in the question, the partner who participates fully in the affairs of the firm. So the correct answer is option A, active partner. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.